Hey guys, welcome back to Rarins. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm back at it again with another video, and today I have a tutorial for you guys. But firstly, I have a surprise. For you guys. I plaited my own hair. I'm so proud of myself. Like, I have a new hairstyle. I've never plaited my own hair before, so I just wanted to show you guys. Like, so let me get a drum roll, please.
Oh my God!
Matter of the day. Let's get into the matter of the day, right? So today I'll be teaching you guys how to like do your lashes and stuff like that, so that you can look pretty out there. I know some people still struggle with like putting on their eyelashes, and to be honest, it's a matter of practicing and finding the right techniques. Is this too close to home? So the first thing you're gonna need is a mascara. You need a mascara to stretch out your lashes and straighten them up and remove any makeup that's there. And then you do need glue, obviously. So the glue that I use is from Clicks. And when it comes to glue, for me, it is always simple for me to like use a clear glue, like a white glue, because when a white glue clears up and it dries up, the color is gone, unlike the black one. And so if you're a beginner and you have black glue, it's gonna be very difficult for you to maneuver through the whole thing, because when it dries up, it's just black there. So if you're not applying eyeliner, I'd advise you to get like white glue or clear glue. And obviously you're going to need a good pair of lashes, and yeah, you want to like measure, like fake wear them, right? You fake wear them just to see the size, because some people, like, our eyelids are not the same sizes. So when they make lashes, they most probably make them bigger. I normally don't have to cut my lashes because I feel like I always get like lashes that I don't have to cut, so lucky me. But some people have to cut them. So if you're cutting your lashes, do not cut on the inner part, cut on the outer part, because if you cut the inner part, the shape is gonna be lost. So the first step that you do after like measuring, before you even apply glue to your eyelash, you apply mascara. So you apply mascara. This mascara is by Essence. You guys already know that I only use Essence. I mostly use Essence when it comes to mascara. Like, they have the best of the best. Actually, they helped me grow my eyelashes, honestly. Like, my natural eyelashes were gone after I installed individual lashes this one time. So Essence really helped me out. So I'm gonna go ahead and get straight to the point. This is my strip lash. If you're interested in knowing the brand, it's Bling Girl. It's available at Channel. Yeah. So how you apply the glue matters also. So this is the strip lash, and I'm just gonna show you guys how I apply the glue. Some people actually apply glue on the eyelid. For me, that would be very messy because I'm very sloppy like that. So if I'm gonna be applying glue to my eyes, everything's gonna be a mess, especially if you're gonna be applying like eyeshadow and stuff like that. How I apply glue on my strip lash. So I'll apply like so, and I make sure I get a generous amount on these parts, like the ends. Like these parts, the edges are the most important. You know, when a lash is lifting, it's mostly those parts, and this is what you want to avoid. That generous amount is now there. You don't have to worry about this glue being so white or whatever. It really literally disappears. And the reason I don't have eyeshadow for today, actually I love this look. Period. So yeah, the reason I don't have like eyeshadow is because I wanted everything to be clear, like for you guys to see. Because the other problem with like lashes, even if they're not lifting, sometimes you see the space in between the lashes and the thing, and your lashes are just there, like social distancing. Hey guys. So after applying the glue here, you wait like 30 seconds. Is now ready. You're gonna hold it in the middle, like so that you have stability. And this is how you're going to place it. You're gonna go to the middle of your eyelid, like so, you go to the middle first, you focus on the middle, and once that part is stable, you now go to any of the sides. It can be the inner side, it can be the outer side. So when you see the white glue, you shouldn't worry too much, because when it dries out, it eventually goes away. What you worry about at this moment is for the lash to actually stick to your eyelid or your lash line. Okay, so once you've placed your lash, you want to make sure that the space between the lash line and your eyelid is actually very minimal or not even there. So you hold your eyelash like this, your natural eyelash and the strip eyelash, you hold them together like this so that they can stick together. And yeah, my eyelash is quite stable, and if you feel like they're still not matching, you can add some more mascara just to blend them together like this. So yeah, let's jump into the other lash and use actual tweezers. So these are the tweezers that I have. I got these from Mr. Price, Scarlet Hill. So when it comes to tweezers, you use the same technique. You have to make sure that you have a stable hand. So for those who prefer tweezers over like using their hands, just use the same technique. You make sure that you put the tweezer right here instead of the tips. You make sure it's on the roots, but it's also not on the lines, so you don't get glue all over the tweezers. Me personally, I prefer using my hands, but yeah, I just wanted to show the technique with both hands and tweezers, if that makes sense. So same way that you put the mirror when you use your hands, the same way you're gonna put your mirror when you use tweezers. You put it below your chin so that you see the difference between the lash line and the eyelid. I'm gonna make sure that I have a stable hand and look down to my mirror and make sure that I'm placing it in the middle. So this is my middle, and I'm now gonna focus on the other side. So yeah, you make sure that you clamp them together when you're using your tweezers like so, that there's no space, just like on the other eyelash. So if you get a good technique and a good glue and a good pair of lashes, then you're fine to go, girl. What do you mean? Anyway, I hope you guys are content with my content. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.